Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall PyCharm on Windows. I will be showing 3 ways to uninstall PyCharm. So now let us see the first way to uninstall PyCharm, which is using the uninstaller of PyCharm. For that, go to C Program Files, JetBrains, PyCharm, bin. Here you must be able to see the uninstaller, Uninstall.exe. Double click on it. You will be getting a security prompt first. Click on yes, and then it will bring up the uninstaller. Check the two boxes, delete cache, delete settings, and click on uninstall. So the uninstallation is in progress. Okay, so the uninstallation is complete. Click on close. So this is one way to uninstall PyCharm, which is by using the uninstaller of PyCharm. So now let us see the second method to uninstall PyCharm on Windows, which is using the Windows settings. So for that, first go to Windows settings, press Windows I. This brings up the settings. Click on apps, installed apps. Here type in PyCharm. PyCharm comes up. So click on the 3 dots, uninstall, uninstall. So this will first give you a security prompt. Click on yes. And then the uninstaller will come up. So check the two boxes, delete cache, delete settings, and click on uninstall. Okay, so the uninstallation is in progress. So PyCharm is uninstalled successfully. Click and close. You can see here that PyCharm is also removed from here. So this is how you can uninstall PyCharm using Windows settings. Okay, so now let us see how to uninstall PyCharm using Control Panel. So to uninstall PyCharm using Control Panel, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features first. For that, press Windows R and type appwiz.cpl. Click on Enter. This brings up the Control Panel, Programs and Features. Here click on PyCharm and click on Uninstall. This will first give you a security prompt. Click on Yes. Post that, the uninstaller will come up. Check the two boxes, delete cache and delete settings, and click on Uninstall. So the uninstallation has started. Okay, so PyCharm is uninstalled successfully. Click on Close. And here you can see that PyCharm is removed from Programs and Features. So this is how you can uninstall PyCharm using Control Panel. You can follow any of these 3 methods to uninstall PyCharm. Okay, so now let us see how to do the cleanup post the uninstallation. Go to C Program Files. And if JetBrains folder is present here, it is empty. So if it is present here, delete it. Click on Continue. Next, press Windows R and type local app data within %. Click Enter. Here check if you see JetBrains folder. It is not present. In case if it is present, delete it. Next, press Windows R and type app data within %. Click Enter. Here check if you see JetBrains folder, if it is present. So here it is present. So if it is present, just select the folder and press delete key to delete it. Okay, so now it is deleted. So once you're done with the cleanup, you can verify if PyCharm is uninstalled successfully. For that, press Windows R, type cmd and click enter. So this will bring up the command prompt. Type PyCharm here and click enter. So you'll get PyCharm is not recognized. So this confirms that PyCharm is uninstalled successfully. I have also documented the steps that we have discussed to uninstall PyCharm on Windows. You can also refer that. So I'll be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.